I love the fact that everything is done for me. I don't have to do landscaping. I don't have to put in the sprinkler system, the fences. Everything was done for me. The most memorable part was when I first found Taber Homes. I shopped Taber first, and then I kept looking at homes. It just fit for me because everything was completed. Honestly, I went to Nichols Creek first and looked at their model, and they had just started Tuscany. I think they had one home starting. They showed me some lots over there, and I'm from Piedmont, so it's still in Piedmont schools. Once I signed the contract, I knew, because prices of building supplies kept going up, and I knew it was, everybody kept saying, so what are you gonna do when the price of your home goes up? And I said, I don't think it does. I think once I signed, that's the price. Well, I have a huge backyard, huge. So I really like that. I love that it's landscaped. I love the grass is put in when I get there. The fence is put up when I get there. I've never had a gas stove before. I've always had electric, and I have really enjoyed my gas stove, and I really have enjoyed the long bar because I have 3 girls, and so like last night they were all over and everybody could fit, and it was just wonderful to have everybody in my home. I really love my house. I love the floor plan. It's just perfect space for me. I've just been very happy.